This morning I'm making something really tasty, a delicious lemon self-saucing pudding. I'm going to be using my KitchenAid mixer today. I'm going to add 75 grams of butter, straight in. I'm going to cream together the butter and the sugar, that's our first step, and 190 grams just white granulated sugar, and we'll get that going. Nice and easy. This has creamed together nicely. We're going to add in the zest of 3 lemons. Keep the juice of the lemons for later because we'll be using that too. And also 3 egg yolks. So I've separated my eggs and we're going to use the egg whites later as well. And we'll just give that another mix around. And then we're going to add in 75 grams of flour, just your standard plain flour. 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Give that a quick mix as well. Oops, there we go. Right, that's mixed in. We're going to add to this 200 mils of milk and the juice of the 3 lemons, and we'll give that another mix as well. If you're starting to think when it's mixing that it might look a bit lumpy or a bit curdled, that's fine, that's okay, it's supposed to look like that. I've got a clean bowl in my KitchenAid here, and I've got the beater attachment. I've got the whites from the eggs we separated earlier, so 3 egg whites. Beat those together. So this is them here, and then we're going to spoon or fold this into our mixture. Do it the best I can one-handed. We're just going to give it a quick, oopsies, fold round. But look, if I can do this one-handed with the sling on, then really there's no excuse. Mixed in, straight into the dish, 40 minutes in the oven at 180. Here it is, my finished lemon self-saucing pudding. Best eaten straight from the oven while it's still warm. Super delicious, that light fluffy sponge on top. Underneath we've got a luscious zingy lemon sauce. Served just like this, or if you like with a spoon of cream or custard or ice cream even. I hope you enjoy it.